I got clothes inside of the washing machine, so if you hear a little it's a washing machine. Chill out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and today's video is going to be a really quick makeup tutorial, and I just feel like these are going to be super helpful for those of us who are full-time at work, have children, or just have a really busy lifestyle where we don't have very much time to get glam. Now you can definitely do this makeup routine in the back of an Uber, on the train, at home, when you only have like 5 minutes to get cute before you have to hit the road. It's like little to no effort. It's just so easy to do. I cannot wait to get into this video because I feel like it's going to help you guys out a lot, especially if you are a beginner. Give me a thumbs up if you can relate to those rushed makeup looks. This video is going to help you achieve a natural makeup look, and it's going to look great on all skin tones, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Now before we get started, if you have not already joined my family, don't forget to click subscribe, and let's get started. So usually to get started, I do my skincare really quickly because like I said, this isn't a freaking rush, okay? First product here is Wild Rose Spotless Serum, 15% vitamin C, and this is from Kors. It smells so good. I'm just gonna take a little drop-a-roo. I'm just really working in there. I mean, we got things to do. I don't have time for a full-on massage here. Let's be realistic here. We're gonna give it a second to do its thing. I'm going to be using something light on my face. This is the Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi-Protection Antioxidant 24-Hour Moisture Cream. Smells like cucumbers. It's definitely like their signature scent. I remember my mom using Estee Lauder makeup and skincare when I was growing up, and it's my turn. Look at that skin, girl. Next up is going to be foundation. I like to use something that is a buildable wear because I don't have time for full coverage. So I bounce between these two shades. We have the CoverGirl with Olay Simply Ageless. This is their 3-in-1 foundation. I'm in between shade number 240 Natural Beige or 241 Sand Beige. So right here on my face. And then just blend this out. I'm kind of like beating my face at the same time, so I need to kind of relax. I'm trying to cover up my imperfection, not give myself a black eye. This foundation is great because you are doing some anti-aging, color correction, and adding color to your face. So it's great. I'm just going to just kind of like loosely blend it all over my face because it is basically like a tinted moisturizer, but I've got tons of discoloration. I've got tons of redness. And I also have like a whole boatload of freckles all over my face. Now, according to a dermatologist, rude AF, I'm too old to be having freckles. That's melasma. Next up, I'm gonna do a 2-in-1, right? A little whammy. I've been really loving that foundation, and I've been loving its sexy little cousin, the concealer from that same collection from CoverGirl. I use the darkest one for contour. Now, if your skin tone is deeper than I am, you're probably gonna have to use a different product because I think this might be the darkest concealer in their collection. I just apply this where my cheeks naturally sink in, but if you have a fuller face, you can kind of just cheat it by marking the in between your ears and then just going down a little bit. I also do a little bit on my nose, and then whatever I can drag from my brush, it's gonna go on my forehead. Again, we're in a rush here, ladies. If you don't blend this out right, you're gonna look like you have crazy sideburns, so make sure you blend out your cream contour, please, ladies. I have some horror stories. I've been in a rush, legit, and I have forgotten to blend out my nose. How the F do you forget to blend out your nose? It's right here in the middle of your face. Almost died. It also gives your face a little bit of color, you know? Okay, now I'm gonna take a powder brush and set my face. I'm using a shade called Enhance from the Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte, and just a fluffy brush right underneath my eyes. Then you are going to just loosely, quickly, quick girl, just put it on your face. Next, I'm taking a shade called Princess Cut in the same palette, and I'm just adding some more color to the apples of my cheeks and then bringing it on top of the cream contour that I just applied and making sure that I blend that out really, really well. Next, I'm taking a blush from Bare Minerals. It's called That Peach though. And I'm going to take a blush brush from Sonia Castaneda, one of my favorite. This is just going to add a little bit more color to my cheeks. I'm using a very quick motion because this is so pigmented, and make sure I concentrate on the apples of my cheeks. Now, of course, it's up to your preference. You can add highlight if you want to. Today, I'm going to be skipping that because in reality, in these kinds of situations, I don't have time for a million steps. So I'm going to just lock in my powder, lock in that blush, and use a little bit of Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now, there are tons of products out there, so if you guys would like to see like an all drugstore dedicated video to something similar to this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving me a comment in the comment section down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and just, okay, I said a little bit, but I literally just took a shower. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that I press that into my skin again. I need eyebrows, because my eyebrows are naturally just always jacked up. I don't grow hair anymore. I tweezed them straight to hell when I was a teenager, and now they just don't grow back. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 4. It's one of my favorites. It's got a pencil on one side and a spoolie brush on the other. And I pretty much just take the color from the inner corners here of my brows. Start by really drawing in the shape, beginning with the bottom of my brows first, then flick up some lines to kind of mimic the natural hairs that I've got going on here. Then I take the spoolie brush and just blend that product in so it's a little bit softer, that way it's not so harsh. And if I need a little bit more help, I'll take really short strokes to the top of my brows and then connecting forces here on the end, like where the tail's at, and then go back in with the spoolie brush, and ta-da! Now my eyebrows are looking a little bit intense, so let's kind of even that out really quick. And the way that I'm going to do that is use a palette that I got from Estee Lauder. This is their Bronze Goddess palette, and it's so beautiful. I'm gonna take this metallic bronzy color all over my lids and not trying to go too far past my crease line. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of that same color on the tippy little hairs of my brush, give it a little tap, and then go right underneath my lash line like a thug, because I'm staring right into your guys' soul while I'm doing this instead of looking in the mirror, and go right underneath those bottom lash line. Very neutral, super soft, and it kind of just dresses up your eye a little bit. Now, I'm a cheater and I have my eyelashes permed, so they're just naturally going to stick up. Now in this step, you would definitely have to curl your eyelashes. For most of you guys that love like the drama of long, thick, full lashes, you're probably going to add your lashes now. But I'm just going to stick with mascara. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of Damn Girl. This is a new mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. The wand is actually really, really big, like super thick, and I am just going to give some love to those top lashes. And for my lips, I'm going to be using Golden Gate Stain Lip Pencil from NARS. I really love the texture on my lips. It's really slick. It feels super hydrating, and it's just really refreshing to feel this kind of a texture on my lips. And on top of that, I'm going to be using Soap & Glory's Pillow Plump XXL Lip Plump Gloss. Oh my gosh, this burns so badly, but it gets the job done. My lips look pow! My lips look so big after using this product, and I'm just going to apply it with my finger. And now that my eyes have had a chance for that first coat to kind of dry, I'm gonna go back in with another coat to just my top lashes. Ta-da! And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick, fast makeup tutorial. I actually enjoyed making this video so much that I really want to do like a series of looks that you can achieve in less than 5 minutes, because I personally can relate to women who only have like 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops to get themselves presentable after they've cared for their children, because that's realistic. Like, I ain't got time for all this shit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not already joined my family, don't forget to hit subscribe so that we can see each other again soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!